In just few minutes, I want to show you how you can be able to legally access CapCut Pro for free. I remember when I started content creation, I know how hard it is for you to get 14,000 naira to subscribe for CapCut Pro every month. It is something that a lot of content creators cannot afford. But in this video, I have been able to make a lot of research and I got a legal way you can be able to access CapCut Pro for free. In fact, all the Pro features for free. So this is not a hack, this is not a scam, this is not whatever you are going to call it. This is in the public domain and I just felt like sharing it with my audience. So if you find out that this video is helpful, if you are someone that has been looking for a tip like this, please don't forget to subscribe and also share this video to your friends so that they can come here and gain value. Now, one good thing about CapCut Pro is that there are a lot of benefits attached to it. Number one is the color gradients, color grading, very important. You also see the text, right? You get to see the text, the captions and the stuff like that. You get to see a lot of effects, animations and the likes. So that is all what you are going to be accessing in this video. But please, before I show you this, make sure you subscribe, and if you really want it, make sure you drop it in the comment section, because for you to be able to get this particular CapCut app, it is not the CapCut app you download from Google Play Store. So if you want to get it, right, if you want to get it, please just make sure you comment, and I will be sharing my WhatsApp link with you. Chat me up on WhatsApp and you can be able to get this link, and that is just how it is with other steps I am going to be showing you in this video. So I'll be sharing my screen with you to show you the step-by-step way on how I am able to achieve all of this.
The very first thing you do is to get your CapCut app. This is my CapCut app. And the second is that you move to Google Play Store. You move to Google Play Store and search for this VPN I am going to be mentioning in the course of this video. So the name of this VPN is known as Thunder VPN. So you search for Thunder VPN. This is Thunder VPN, and that is just it. This is Thunder VPN, exactly this VPN, and you install this VPN, right? So after installation, you click on open. After installation, you click on open, and you allow it to open here. Then you click on connect, right? So you click on connect. All right, you allow whatever they tell you to do, just allow it. So this is just how it is. It is already active. You get to see at the up of my screen, you see VPN connected, right? So you see VPN connected. So you move on now to CapCut. Move on now to that CapCut that I will be sharing with you, right? Move on to CapCut, and you are going to be getting this. So your CapCut is going to open. All right, so your CapCut is going to open. Let's just allow everything to open, right? So this is it. This is our CapCut, and you click on new video. That is if you want to edit a video. But for the course, we are editing videos, of course. We are content creators, video content creators who want to edit our videos. So let me just choose this particular video that I made. This video is 2 minutes 18 seconds, and we allow it to open, right? So you can either decide to cut the parts that you don't want or whatsoever. Now the thing that is that it's going to be taking some time. It's going to be loading gradually, but just manage it because you are not rushing, of course. So this is everything. So let me just cut from here. I just want to show you something. Let me just cut, and you get to find out that everything is perfectly working. So I'm splitting, and this is it. All right, so let me just listen to this.
Just few minutes, I want to show you how you can be able.
So as you can see, there is no text, right? There is no text right now. Now let's check for the coloration, that is the filter, right? So there's nothing you cannot access here. There is nothing you cannot access here. So let's check for the filters. You get to find that this is my filter. There's nothing that is pro for me. Do you understand? There's nothing like pro for me. So any of the filter I want, I just have to allow it to load. So there's nothing like pro for me. Nothing like pro. Nothing like pro. Anything I want, this is what I'm going to get. For the brightness, adjusting, anything I want, I am going to get it for free, depending on how I want it or when I want it. So that is just how it is. Let me also show you for the captioning, right? So this is my captioning. You just have to allow the templates to load, right? So this is the templates they are loading. There's nothing like pro, for you. Do you understand? So there's nothing like pro. Anyone I want to choose, any of the template I want to choose, this is just it, and I click on generate, right? So it's going to be generating immediately for me, right? So let's wait for it until it generates to 100, and you get to find out that it is absolutely free. So you can see that my captions are generated automatically.
Just few minutes, I want to show you how you can be able
I hope
to
you can see it,
legally
right?
access CAPCUT Pro for free. I remember when I started,
And I can even style it. I can style my captions, right? Let me just show you. I can style my captions on anyhow I want it to be with templates. So you see, all these things are free for me. There's nothing like, oh, you do this one, you do this one. You just have to allow it open, and that is how it is, right? So this is any of the font I want, and any of the animations I want, any of the effect I want, I am going to get it for free. So this is something that is hidden, right, from the general public, but it's not a hack, it's not a scam, right? So that is just how it is. And don't forget that I can click on export. And I save this video directly to my device, right? I can click on export and I will save it directly to my device with nothing happening, right? So that is just it on how you can be able to get CAPCUT Pro, right? If you love this video, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button, and also share this video to your friends so they can come here and gain value. And until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.